Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I will show you how you can turn on Copilot mode in the Microsoft Edge browser with just simple clicks. And let's just start with the video. So first of all, we have to go to this link and you can find this link in the our Telegram channel in the description as well. So we have to go to this link. So this is our Microsoft browser. Then we have to type this URL. Then then we will find this button called turn on Copilot modes. Then we have just simply click on this one and now we are done with all the steps. So when you after this, you will see this pop-up. Congratulations, you are now in the Copilot mode. Then we have to click on here, see what's new. Then next, next, okay, the next, and click on it done. When you click on it done, then we have to open a new tab to check out if it's working or not. And now you can see this. This is the interface of the Copilot modes, and you can see Vishant are ready to drive in. So you can ask it to anything to do. And that's all for this one. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, you can consider to like, subscribe our channel as well, and follow us for more updates like this.